What if your AI agent could engage smarter with follow count filters? Well, let me show you how. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, you can absolutely use follow count filters to decide if you want to reply to that DM or reply to that comment, because maybe not everyone needs a reply or a DM, and it can be based on follower count, and that is okay. So as you can see, I'm currently in the desktop version of my workspace, and I'm going to be using Penny for this example. So I'm going to go ahead and edit my agent. We'll jump over to publish. And one great thing about this is you can edit this based on the ability. So if you want to reply to DMs only to people who have above 10,000 followers, you have follower count here. We have follower count in reply to comments, and you can do this per post or per one right down here, follower count. But I'm going to jump down to, let's do reply to mentions. And again, reply to stories does have the same thing, the follower count. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. And you can see right here, only reply to users with a certain follower count. So maybe you want to target influencers, or maybe reward your VIP followers. You can absolutely do that. So again, we are in the reply to mentions, and you can see the agent reply says, thanks for your mention. But down here, we get to choose if we want to be above a certain number or below a certain number. So maybe we only want to reply to mentions if the follower count is over 10,000, or maybe we only want to reply to those if it's under 300. You get to choose what that looks like, but it's as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to edit your follower count and at what threshold your AI agent responds, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get a notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.